Friday. I'm Brenda Murray and I love to draw and paint and do all kinds of things that feed my creative soul. Today I'm going to do a little sketch, and while I do that, I'm going to talk to you about creativity. I believe every person on the planet was born to be creative. We were meant to rise to our full potential and create things from nothing. We were meant to explore, invent, play, write, imagine, dream, draw, make up songs, discover, grow things, and daydream. Every child starts out life with their creative soul fully intact. They build forts, they make mud pies, they draw endlessly, they see elephants in the clouds. But little by little, many of us were made to feel that being creative is a waste of time. It's not efficient. It's not valuable. Some of us were told we should be learning real skills that will help us later in life, so we went about learning by rote the same things that everyone else is learning. We weren't always asked to think original thoughts. We were asked to conform. Bit by bit, many of us found that our creativity was eroded away because we weren't feeding it. But we were born for so much more than this. Imagine a world where creativity is the most valued of skills, where everyone has the courage to experiment and think independently, where people dare to dream, where people dare to solve problems without waiting for someone to give them permission, where people dare to identify as a creative person. If people identified as creative, and if creativity were a more valued skill, we would likely see a significant improvement in problem-solving abilities across all sectors of society, leading to innovative solutions in all fields: medicine, technology, and environmental science. In a world where creativity flourishes, people would experience a higher level of emotional well-being because engaging in creative activities, as everyone knows, has shown to reduce stress and anxiety while promoting happiness and fulfillment. Who wouldn't want that? When individuals express themselves through art, music, writing, or other forms of creativity, they cultivate a sense of purpose and connection to their communities. This collective increase in happiness would lead to lower rates of mental health issues and a more supportive societal atmosphere overall. If creativity were the most valued skill, people would be more open to the creativity of other people and more willing to explore diverse perspectives, cultures, and experiences. Exposure to other cultures would result in greater empathy and openness to different cultures and ideas. This would help bridge divides between communities, fostering tolerance and understanding amidst our increasingly polarized society. As individuals share their stories through various mediums, they create opportunities for dialogue and connection that transcend differences. Just imagine, if creativity were prioritized, education systems would undergo transformative changes. Curricula would shift from rote memorization to experiential learning that encourages creative thinking and innovation. Students would be empowered to explore their interests through project-based learning, collaboration, and interdisciplinary approaches. This shift could produce a generation of thinkers who are not only knowledgeable, but also skilled at applying their knowledge creatively to real-world problems. If creativity were prioritized, students would learn to be more independent thinkers. We would be raising unique individuals, each with their own distinctive set of skills, which would make it a lot easier to stand out from the crowd when applying for jobs. Just imagine, a surge in creativity would stimulate economic growth by expanding creative industries such as arts, entertainment, design, and technology. As more individuals engage in creative pursuits, whether as professionals or hobbies, the demand for quality creative goods and services would rise instead of the current excess of mass-produced, low-quality, plastic injection molded crap currently on offer everywhere. This would lead to local job creation in all sectors. If creativity were more valued, people would feel free to express their creativity without fear of judgment or failure. They would be more likely to work together on projects that benefit the community as a whole. Collaborative creativity can lead to groundbreaking initiatives that address social issues like poverty or climate change by pooling diverse talents and perspectives. Finally, a more creative populace would be better equipped to handle challenges, be it personal hardships or global crises, through adaptive thinking and resilient strategies rooted in innovative approaches. Creative problem solving allows individuals to pivot when faced with obstacles rather than becoming paralyzed by them. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel inspired to feed your creative soul and to unleash your full potential so that you are creating your best work, living your best life, and being the creative person that you were born to be. If you enjoyed this little video, click the subscribe button right there and you'll be alerted when I drop another video next Friday. Bye for now.